There are the 5 reasons why I became Muslim. Number 1, Prophet Muhammad. He wasn't just a man, he was a movement. I studied his life. He was called Al-Amin, the trustworthy. Long before Prophet, he led with mercy, lived with humility, and stayed uncorrupted by power. No scandals, no contradictions, just consistent character in public and in private. Number 2, the Quran. Unchanged, unmatched. You can read the original Arabic today. Same verses, same rhythm, same message. No rewrites, no version 2.0, no contradictions. Just a book memorized by millions, filled with linguistic precision and patterns that still stump scholars today. Number 3, one creator. No confusion, no trinity, no divine drama, no celestial hierarchy. Just one God, eternal, unseen, and absolutely sovereign. The simplicity hit harder than any philosophy lecture I ever heard. Number 4, built-in logic, not blind faith. Islam doesn't ask you to switch off your brain. It invites you to question, reflect, and seek knowledge. One creator, no partners, no intermediaries. Worship is direct and every ritual has purpose. Number 5, science. Science that was there before science was. The Quran described the expanding of the universe, embryonic development, water as a basis of life, and gender plants, centuries before microscopes and telescopes. It wasn't a science textbook, so I didn't need to be. I got the fundamentals right. So, I didn't convert on impulse. I converted on evidence.